In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save or backup power bins in Davinci Resolve 19. Whether you're just getting started or are a seasoned user of Davinci Resolve, understanding how to safeguard your power bins can save you a lot of time and effort in your video editing process. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open the Davinci Resolve application. If you're new to Davinci Resolve or need a refresher on how to begin, you can download it from Blackmagic Design's official website and follow the installation instructions. Once Davinci Resolve is launched, the next step is to click on a project. If you don't have a project yet, you can create a new one by navigating to the project manager and selecting New Project. Once you've selected or created a project, you'll see the main interface loaded with all its editing tools at your disposal. Now it's time to navigate to the Edit page. You can do this by simply clicking on the Edit tab located at the bottom of the screen. This area is an important hub in Davinci Resolve where you can fine-tune your edits, work with timelines, and much more. Once you're in the Edit page, look for the Media Pool. This is usually located on the upper left side of the screen. If you don't see it immediately, ensure the Media Pool panel is active by toggling its visibility in the user interface settings. Inside the Media Pool, you'll see various bins where your media clips are organized. Now, locate the Power Bins option. If you haven't set up Power Bins yet, they are essentially shared bins that allow you to keep frequently used media across multiple projects, ensuring a more streamlined workflow. You should now see a hierarchy when you click Power Bins. The next step is to right-click on the Master Power Bin. This is a crucial step because it ensures that you are accessing the top tier bin, which includes all nested media elements within it. After right-clicking on the Master Power Bin, you'll notice a drop-down menu. From here, click on Export Bin. This option will prompt you to choose a location on your computer where you want to save the bin's content. Choose a safe, easily accessible folder, perhaps dedicated to your backups, so that you can retrieve your bin whenever needed. And there you have it. By following these steps, you have safely backed up your power bins, securing all your essential media assets for future use. Remember, regularly backing up your power bins not only helps in preventing data loss, but also optimizes your workflow, making your editing process more efficient. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tips to enhance your Davinci Resolve experience.